Today I'm going to show you how I made my very first digital product sale using free tools, no fancy software, and no full website. I sold my simplified DIY online business playbook for $27 after I shared it on Facebook. So if you've been thinking you need money, a big audience, or complicated tech to start, stay with me. I'll walk you through the exact simple steps I used, so you can start your own setup the smart way. Hey there! So if you haven't already noticed, I'm Isabel's AI avatar, while the real me is probably taking care of my special needs daughter or helping women launch their online businesses from home inside my membership, Home Biz Builders. But everything I'm sharing comes straight from Isabel's real journey, and it's built for real life, not perfect life. Before we jump in, I made a free video training to help you copy this simple system. It's called Save Big While Selling Digital Products with the Right Tools, and you also get my Digital Product Lean Launch Toolkit Action Guide, so you can follow the steps and build your setup right away. You can grab free access using the link below this video, and I'll pin it in the first comment too. Okay, let's go. First, I used Canva free. I made one simple product that solves one clear problem. Mine was my simplified DIY online business playbook. It was not a big course, it was a helpful playbook someone could use right away. In Canva, you can create things like a checklist, a quick guide, a workbook, a simple planner, or slides for a mini training, and you do not need design skills. You just drag, drop, and keep it clean. Your goal is not perfect. Your goal is helpful. Next, I use System.io. This is the free all-in-one tool I still recommend for starting on a micro budget. With the free plan, I set up one simple sales page, not a full website, one checkout page, and one thank you page. That is it. And on the thank you page, I delivered the playbook with a download link so the buyer got it right away. You can keep it super simple at the start, then add more later, only if you need it. For delivery, I used Google Drive. I uploaded the PDF, grabbed the share link, and added it to my thank you page download button. Simple. Now let's talk about the budget part. Because this matters, System.io is free until you reach 2,000 email subscribers, so it can carry you really far when you are starting. Later, when your business grows and you want more features, you can choose to upgrade, but you do not need that to begin. This matters because real life is busy. As a special needs mom, I could not waste time or money testing complicated platforms. I needed something simple that worked even when my schedule was not perfect. That is why I teach this way: simple tools, simple steps, steady progress. If you're watching this thinking, okay, I need this, go grab my free training called Save Big While Selling Digital Products with the Right Tools. Inside the training, I show you how to pick the right free and affordable tools, how to connect them into one simple system, and how to set up your first product so you can start selling. And you get my Lean Launch Toolkit Action Guide so you can take action fast. The link is below this video and in the pinned comment. And if you want support while you build so you do not feel alone, that is what you'll find inside Home Biz Builders. It's made for women starting from home on a micro budget, and it's built for real life. But start with the free training first. Build your first simple setup, then decide if you want the extra support. You do not need a big budget to start a real online business. You just need one simple product, one simple page, and one clear next step. Go watch the free training and take your first step today. I'll see you there.